It's Alana's Toy Channel and I'm making slime. What you will need is 1 cup of warm water and a half a teaspoon of borax. And in this cup you will mix it together, and then you need Elmer's glue or any kind of glue. I'm using clear glue. And you would need a food coloring. If you don't want to, you can make it clear or anything. I'm making it blue because I like to. Now let's close it. And you need a bowl so you can mix it together. You can't just put it on the table and just mix it together. That'd be nonsense. And just to put it in, you need just a container or anything to put it in. And you need a fork or any mixing stool. And let's go in the video. Woo-hoo. First, you will need to put the glue out. Just put it in there. It sounds like a farting noise, what my dad does. Now my mom's holding this so she can see it, and you just put it in there. Try to put it in. I think that's enough. Okay, now I'm gonna get it out of the side, and then you're gonna put warm. You're gonna put. I accidentally said it, but you're gonna put a couple of drops. I would say like about 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you will mix until it gets the color. Now I mix, 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 mix. Keep on mixing, mixing, mixing. Keep on mixing, keep on mixing. Oh my God, it looks so good. Mix, 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 okay, I think got enough. Let's just get that extra one. And then we're gonna put the warm water with the borax. Oh no. It's okay. Just mix it. Oh no. It's okay. Still getting slime. Hello. I think I should get another cup. Thank you, Mama. I'm gonna get another cup so I can sort it out. I think so. Okay, now I can do it. This is my show. It's a Alana show, not the Jessica show. Or the Mama show. See this? What? That why?
Try with your hands.
Let's try with my hands. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You just get your hands in it. Oh God. Ah. Just get your hands in it. Okay, thank you, assistant. Thank you, my assistant. Oh no. Okay. This is not perfect, but it's still slime. Okay. Okay, I think I need to mix it more. Okay, this is enough for Alana's Toy Channel. Bye!